Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put an Audi Q7 in neutral without a key. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is on a completely level surface and the parking brake is firmly engaged. This is crucial for safety to prevent any unexpected movement. You will be accessing a manual release mechanism, so proper preparation is essential for a smooth process. To begin, locate the cup holder assembly in your center console. Carefully remove the cup holder insert to reveal the area beneath. You should then see a small cover or flap. Use a flathead screwdriver or a similar thin tool to gently pry open this cover, exposing the emergency release mechanism underneath. With the cover removed, you will see a small slot. While pressing the brake pedal down firmly, insert a suitable tool, like a flathead screwdriver or the emergency tool from your vehicle's kit, into this slot. Push the lever forward with steady pressure. You should feel it engage, and the transmission will then shift into neutral, allowing the car to roll. Once the vehicle is successfully in neutral, you can carefully release the parking brake and move the car as needed. Remember to re-engage the parking brake once the vehicle is in its desired position to secure it. Finally, replace the cover and the cup holder insert to restore your center console's original appearance and functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.